Hi there, happy Friday. Today is Friday, March 12th. I'm going to talk you through what we're doing on today's flex day, so you can go ahead and get started. Notice we're starting with lesson 10A today. We're splitting it into 2 days. So we're going to start with day 1 of lesson 10A, which is really only this first learning target here. So we're going to convert fractions to decimals. Before you get started with that, I do want you to make sure that your Unit 10 web is completed. And by completed, I mean that you filled out the web part of it. So these boxes, get those all filled out, all 3 of those boxes. And then also I need you to circle your 1 through 4. Some of these you might remember how to do from previous years. If there's no standard here, it means it's a standard from a previous year. So you may remember how to do some of these things. So circle your 1 through 4s and then just make a goal for yourself right there on your Unit 10 web that is in OneNote. So please make sure you fill out your Unit 10 web. That's our first step to do today. Second thing we're doing today is our lesson. So you click right here for this day 1 play pause it. Make sure you're following along with your notes that are in your OneNote that look like this. So they're lesson 10A notes converting fractions and decimals. We are just going to spend today looking at these 5 questions, and then the rest of these notes we will do next time we are in class. So make sure you keep your notes open, follow along with them, write down everything I'm writing down in the video. It's going to ask you questions as you go, so please make sure you're following along with these notes right here in your OneNote. Make sure you split screen. After you do that, we have just a short assignment that we're doing where you show me that you can convert fractions to decimals. What I say in the video is this entire unit is no calculator, so please make sure that when you are doing this homework assignment right here, it looks like this. You have 6 questions where it's some fractions to decimals, and then I also give you some mixed numbers and improper fractions that you have to turn into decimals. For every single one of these questions, I need you to make sure you are showing me your work. So show me your long division. You may need the repeating bar for some of these questions. To get the repeating bar, if you click on this keyboard right here in formative, this icon right here gives you a repeating bar. So if you think this answer is negative 1.6 repeating, so if you think this answer is negative 1.6 repeating and you want to type it in order to type it in, all you have to do is put the negative 1.6, but instead of typing in the 6, push this button right here to put the repeating bar, and then throw the 6 underneath it. So here would be, if you have a repeating decimal, this is how we type our answer, and spoiler alert, this is your answer for question number 10. Okay, so please make sure you use the repeating bar if you have a repeating decimal, otherwise it's going to mark it wrong. Also, if your answer is like 0.3, please put 0.3. Don't just type this. If your whole number is a 0, if there is no whole number, please put 0 for your whole number. That is your answer for the first one. So 2 of your homework questions are already done for you. All right, that's all I got. So fill out your Unit 10 web. Watch this video where I teach you how to go from fractions to decimals using long division, no calculators. And then you've got this short homework assignment where 2 of the answers are already done for you. I'm available all day, so please just send me a Canvas message if you have any questions. Enjoy your day. Have a good weekend.